Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm, and I'm here today to talk to you about the first line of defense when it comes to asset protection. Before I get to that though, if you have no estate plan and you're not sure why, you're not sure if you need one, I have created a little video that outlines the estate planning basics, the foundation, what everybody should have, and you can go and check that out for free at estateplanningvideo.com. Click the link above to go check it out. All right. I get this question about asset protection probably 2 or 3 times a week in potential client meetings and even in client meetings. People are concerned about it, and it's kind of like the sexy thing to talk about. They want to know how, the question today was, how can I protect my assets if one of my kids drives the car through a school zone? I'm like, well, A, that's probably not likely to happen. But B, if it does happen, there's a first line of defense that you're gonna wanna make sure you have in place that's probably gonna take care of you 9 times out of 10. And that's what I wanted to talk about today, because it's not exactly what you might think it is. And it's probably not what you would expect me to say, considering the line of work that I'm in. Because I can't actually provide you with this service or with this solution. And so, when a lot of people think about asset protection, they think about trust planning, right? They think about doing some kind of irrevocable trust, or some kind of like international trust. You know, you put something together in the Cayman Islands where you hide your assets, they can't be touched, you know, no matter what. And you can do that to some extent, but for most of us that lead a normal lifestyle, where we're not exposing ourselves to significant liability and significant problems, we just don't need that. And so I wanted to come here and talk to you and just sort of set the record straight and tell you where to go first before you start looking into this trust planning and all these other complicated things. LLCs are another thing that people really want to do to protect their assets. But before you do that, you should really do this first step, because it's the cheapest, it's the easiest, and it actually will give you a significant amount of protection, okay? What that thing is, drum roll, is an umbrella insurance policy. Basically, you can go and talk to your insurance provider and say, these are my assets, these are the things that I'm afraid of, and they can say, okay, we can give you $2 million of coverage, $3 million of coverage, $5 million of coverage for what are really pennies on the dollar, literally. The reason that they'll give you that kind of coverage for that kind of a price is because most of the time, you're not going to actually be exposed to that much liability. So what makes you feel safe also is going to make the insurance company a little bit of money. And in the rare event where something does happen, where that policy kicks into play, you're going to feel great about having that there. So that's typically what I tell people when it comes to a first line of defense for asset protection. You know, particularly if you have rental homes and things like that have notes on them that you don't want to put in an LLC because you're worried about the due on sale clause, you can get an umbrella policy and make sure that it covers those rentals. If you do that, by the way, that's why it's important to talk to your insurance agent about this. But it can provide you the protection that you need in a rainy day, if you have kids that are making bad choices, if you are making bad choices, or if you just are hit with that random thing that happens that sets you up for some liability. You don't want to have that happening. So check out the umbrella policy, go talk to your local insurance agent. If you don't have anybody to talk to, let me know. I can give you some recommendations. But you know, this is me here giving you solutions that I can't help you with, which is always fantastic. But I want to remind you before I let you go, if you don't have any estate plan, if you want to know the basics and you're not sure what to do or where to go, I'll put together a video for you at estateplanningvideo.com. Go check that out. It'll give you everything that you need. All right. That is it. I'm Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. Thanks for watching. If you know somebody that needs to hear this, share it. If you like this, like it. Somebody already hit the like button, I saw. If you have a comment or questions, just write them down below and I will answer them. And otherwise, I will be here again tomorrow to talk to you about some more exciting estate planning and probate tips, strategies, tactics, fun things, fun ways to save money, protect your family, and create generational wealth. that's what you're into. All right, that's it. Bye.